Hi everyone, I'm Esha Maharishi, a Product Manager here at Viam for microcontrollers and hardware integrations. Today I want to show you the data we've captured from our fleet of temperature sensors connected to microcontrollers here in our NYC office. So I'm here in one of our meeting rooms, and this is one of our temperature sensor devices. The sensor is over here, and it's connected to an ESP32 inside this casing. And this is device number 7. So on app.viam.com, you can see all of our sensors that are scattered around the office, and we'll click into device number 7. This is the configuration for the device. There's a summary here on the left and details on the right. It's configured with an ESP32 board component that lets us take analog readings from pin 35, as well as a Temp36 sensor component. The Temp36 is the name of the temperature sensor hardware model, so our software model that corresponds to it is given the same name. This sensor will take the raw readings from the board and convert them into Celsius. It's configured to capture readings every 5 seconds, or 0.2 hertz. Let's go ahead and look at what those readings look like. So we'll click into View Captured Data up here on the right. This will show all of the data that's captured off the machine. There were a few other sensors configured, so we'll filter down to just Temp36. And these are all of the readings that have been captured. We can see what one looks like. It is currently 24.7 degrees Celsius. So that was pretty neat. It's pretty easy to sync your data to the cloud and start to see what it looks like. To take that one step further, I'll show you how you can visualize it. We'll click back into Fleet and then over into Teleop. So I'm going to create a new workspace. I'll get back to this in a second. And I'll give this a name and select my machine number 7. I'm going to choose a time series widget that will let us see a graph of that temperature data over time. This dropdown will populate in a second with the sensors we can choose from. I'll choose Temp36. It's going to show the data for the last hour, and I'll skip some of these optional fields, but I will give it a title. Finally, I'll choose the value that I want to graph, which is the temperature. We'll go ahead and save these changes, and this graph will populate with the data that's come in synced to the cloud over the last hour. So yeah, this is pretty exciting. It's very easy to get your sensors set up and connected to your microcontrollers and the data synced to the cloud. Once it's there, there's a lot you can do with the VM platform, whether it's visualizing the data or training an ML model, creating your own web or mobile app, or configuring triggers or alerts. Thanks for watching.